Okay, so we have some severe weather possible for tomorrow, a WFAA Weather Alert Day.
We do, and it's wind, 60-mile-an-hour wind, quarter-size hail. Could some of the winds be up to 60? It's possible. Could some of the hail quarter-size? Could it be $half size? Do you even know what, as young as you are, do you even know what a $half is?
My grandfather had a coin collection, so
Grandpa had it, so he didn't. Grandpa had it.
I'm too young to know, so thanks
well,
for telling
it's
us.
beyond Cynthia. So some hail of that size. We could have some. There's a chance for a brief isolated tornado. This isn't a tornado situation, but that's not to say that one or two couldn't happen. They would be brief. They wouldn't be these big wedge tornadoes we've seen up in the Midwest the last couple of days.
Right.
Okay. And then heavy rain. That's my biggest concern, is the chance for really heavy rain tomorrow, especially for areas that are seeing the heavy rain right now and have been seeing the heavy rain the last couple of weeks, which is to the northwest of the Dallas-Fort Worth area. So with all of that said, that's right, flooding's a big concern. Let me show you that. And we're going to start with the flood watch. It's right now through Thursday morning. We have a flood watch, flood warning that's in effect for Montague County. So Bowie, you're under that warning. But over the next 24 hours, 1 to 3 inches of rain's in the forecast in these areas, and some isolated amounts could be even higher than that. Right now, there's that flash flood watch. It's a flash flood warning, I should say, that's happening in the northern half. It's north of you in Bowie, not in Bowie, but it's north of you in Bowie, and this will be gone in an hour. Okay, you'll be dry in about an hour, so one more hour, but that's it. That's the only thing happening. So there's midnight. You can see the thunderstorms are out of the Red River counties here, so that's certainly good news. There could be a sprinkle or a spotty shower overnight, but most of us are dry as we head through the overnight. Here's 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. There's some thunderstorms. So once again, as we head through tomorrow, here's the severe weather threat. It's what I just mentioned just a moment ago. It's hail that could be up to quarter size, maybe a tad higher. Winds that could be up to 60, maybe just a little bit stronger. And a brief isolated tornado or two. I can't rule that out as we head through tomorrow, especially during the afternoon. So let me show you this. Here's the timing. There's 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Your morning commute. Could there be a sprinkle or a spotty shower? It's possible, but most of us are dry for the morning commute. Drop the kids off to school. It should be dry. Again, a sprinkle, spotty shower, I can't rule that out during the morning commute, during the morning drop-off time. 7 a.m. There's 9 a.m. Now watch this. So there's not a whole lot happening tomorrow morning. Some scattered rain, 30–40% coverage during the morning. But then as we head into the afternoon and evening, it goes to 80 to 90% coverage. Here's noon tomorrow. Check this out. Here's 1. I'm going to go through this hour by hour. 2 p.m. See the thunderstorms at 3? There we are at 4. There's 5. There's 6. I promise you, your app doesn't do this. Right here. 6 o'clock. There's your thunderstorm activity. There's 7 p.m. Okay, these are the thunderstorms, 3-ish until around 9 tomorrow night. These are the ones that are, I believe, the most severe with these thunderstorms. The wind, the hail, the brief isolated tornado. There's 8, here's 9. By 9 o'clock tomorrow night, everything's out of the metroplex. It's shifting off to the east into the southeast at 9. Here's 10. By about 10 or 11 tomorrow night, North Texas is in the clear. East Texas, Southeast Texas is still seeing rain, and certainly by midnight tomorrow night, all of North Texas, East Texas is all in the clear as well, and so is Southeast Texas. And then I just have sunshine and dry weather in my forecast as we head through Thursday. So for tonight, scattered showers and thunderstorms for the next hour or so up along the Red River, mainly heavy rain. Severe weather threat up there is really, really low. 67's a low tonight. During the day tomorrow, we hit 79. 30–40% of us see rain in the morning. About 80 to 90% of us see it in the afternoon and evening. It's a cloudy, humid, breezy. It's just going to feel like a humid spring day when you know thunderstorms are on the way, and they're definitely on the way. 79's a high tomorrow. There's the next 14. Dry on Thursday. Half of us see rain on Friday. There's a very, very low severe weather threat on Friday. Mainly some gusty winds and some small hail. Mainly just some good old-fashioned garden variety thunderstorms. Dry on Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Thank goodness for that, because I'm sick of all of this. And then and I know you at home are too. And then on Tuesday, I have rain. The final 7 of the 14 days, I have rain on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and it's dry on Mother's Day too. So by Mother's Day, I'll be really, really happy, and I know you will too. And then we kind of get into a period where we start to dry out as we approach the middle part of May. But during the afternoon and evening tomorrow, it's going to be a little bumpy. We'll be here and we'll keep you updated.